In this video, I'm going to show you how to change image color. Let's head to Facebook post, for example. Keep in mind that Canva is a tool that can be used for everything and is actually amazing. I'm gonna drag this image right here, for example, and looks perfect. You see, now what I'll be looking for is actually choosing the right layer first of all. If you've ever worked with Photoshop, you will be with me on the same page right now. Click on just the image that you would like to change and click on the colors on the top right corner. You can see in this document, there's two colors. This is the bright red and there's the white. You see now, I've actually played with both of them and I'm kind of messed up stuff. You see, this one is actually kind of a combination of colors, that's why it doesn't work out. You will have to actually redesign this whole thing for you to be basically able to edit it. I'm gonna detach the image from the background at first. And as you can see, it actually looks very, very different from the real thing. If I now put this backward, kind of goes back to the real colors. But this have to come in front again. Let's put it forward and let's put this here. Okay, now let's reshape our image to be in the right shape. And kaboom. Now we can choose the text, click on the color, change the color of the text to whatever we would like. But if it was a lot of objects, like something like this, we will be able to move the text, change the color of the items by choosing a specific color for a specific item in that color bracket. As you can see, I can choose, for example, the red one. I'm going to be able to change it to whatever I want. That will basically it, guys. See you in another video and goodbye.